Hi, it's Tristan from Foto, and I'm going to go over what makes a good fine art black and white conversion. And first, your image needs to already be perfectly exposed and color corrected. And this image on its own, as a color image, could be printed. It's beautiful. After that, what you want to look for are contrasts. So you want to see this has nice dark to light ratio, and it also has an interesting pattern and some texture. And this image will make a good conversion. I'm going to use our low key black and white action. And low key is a technique when an image is shot in low light. I'm going to hit play, and there you go, from here to here. This is beautiful. It could be printed. It's pretty striking. And I think we can all agree that made a really nice conversion. I'm going to use another example with this dog. I'm going to use high key. High key is bright lights and nice darks, and this image has that. You also have beautiful sharpness in the eyes. So I'm going to go to our high key and hit play. You can see from here to here. This image was an excellent candidate for conversion, even though it was already nicely exposed, um, nicely composed image, and fine as a color. And that's where you'll really find um, what you're looking for. Is you're looking to find a nice contrast between your darks and your lights, and an image that is already good as color, and you will get a really nice conversion. So if you have any questions, just let us know.